Didik TV KPM.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Tahap 2 Didik TV KPM with me Chris, MJ and Mr. Ragu, and today we are learning percentages, mathematics DLP tahun 6, and in this segment we're going to be talking about Soalan KBAT, or in bahasa Inggeris HOTS question, right sir?
Yes, exactly, Chris.
Okay.
Do you know what is HOTS stands for?
Not sure sir.
HOTS is higher order thinking skill questions. Okay, this is to challenge the kids actually.
Alright.
Okay, kids, now I have a question here. Okay, the question is, Mr. Muzamir painted his school gate and wall last Saturday at SK Sri Anggrek. He's my boss.
Oh, okay.
He used 80% of the paint that he had, which is 6.5 liter. How much paint that he had at the beginning?
Ooh.
This is what we call HOTS question, where you have to think out of the box sometimes to find the answer. Okay, let's challenge the kid first.
Okay.
Kids at home, can you try this question?
Alright, and
Okay.
not just the pupils on Google Meets, but those of you watching as well, you can try this question.
Yeah, I will repeat the question again. Mr. Muzamil painted his school gate and wall last Saturday at SK Sri Anggrek. He used 80% of the paint that he had, which is 6.5 liter.
Alright.
Okay, this is the amount of the paint that he used. And the question is, how much paint that he had at the beginning? So this is the question. So let's see.
While we wait for our pupils to answer, maybe you could also share with us what are some tips for students or pupils who would like to answer this kind of questions.
Okay,
when
this
they read the
HOTS question actually you can practice. It's not that some intelligence or genius kids only can answer HOTS question. It's not that.
Okay.
We can practice. We can do a lot of practice, and we have many activities to challenge our HOTS skill. Okay, which is higher order thinking skill, which is beyond the school syllabus actually.
Right.
So HOTS question usually is not in the textbook. You cannot find the question anywhere.
Right.
Okay, you must use the skill that you have learned, and you have to think and come out with your own answer for these questions.
Alright, there you go. There are some tips that Mr. Ragu just shared. Alright, I'd like to ask those on Google Meets, anyone already done with the question? If you're done, you can raise your hand. Sir, are we going to select one student, one pupil to answer?
Can. You can try the answer, okay?
Okay. Alright, so looks like
everybody is
still
counting.
answering and still counting. Very focused. I can see Akil right there. Akil, very serious, very serious.
Actually, to answer this HOTS question, we have a lot of method.
Yeah.
So we can draw sometimes. In maths, drawing is very good. Because when you read the problem, it's all in the words.
Right.
Okay, sometimes it confuses you. 10 times you read also, you can't understand the question.
Okay.
So what you have to do, you start draw. Okay, for example, for this question, I start draw.
Sure.
Okay. Mr. Muzamir, okay, he used 80%. Okay, so you can draw a bar. 80% he used, okay? And this 80% is equivalent to 6.5 liter. Okay, 6.5 liter. Now, what is the question? How much paint that he had at the beginning? So 80% is used means, usually how many percent we have at the beginning? All together.
100%, sir.
Very good. So all together is 100%. So we're going to find how much is this 100%.
Okay.
So when we draw like this, you can see the question clearly. Rather than you read the sentence in paragraph. If you read 3 times also, sometimes you cannot understand the question. So what we do, we convert it to graphic. So we draw so that we can see the question clearly and we can answer the question according to the question need.
Alright, there you go. So who has
who want to try?
completed or wants to volunteer
I think
to answer?
Faiz is ready.
Okay, Faiz.
Faiz?
Go ahead, Faiz. Explain the answer.
80% of 6.5 liter, my answer is 5.2 liter.
Okay, how do you get the answer, Faiz?
First, 80 over 100 times 6.5 liter, we have to cut the zeros, and 8 and 10, we can simplify with 2. So we get 4 over 5 times 6.5 liter. 5 with and 6.5 liter, we can simplify with 5, and we will get 1.3 liter and 1. So 1.3 liter times 4. And the answer is 5.2 liter.
Okay, Faiz, you have tried and you have give a good try for this question. Okay, I should congratulate you, but there is little bit of misunderstanding there. Okay, it's not that he used 80% of 6.5 liter. Means 80% that he used is 6.5 liter. So how much he had at the beginning? That is the question.
Oh, okay.
Okay, kids, let me show you how to find this answer. Okay, 80% of P, I name it as paint.
Yep.
The total paint that he have at the beginning is equivalent to 6.5 liter. So now what am I going to find? I'm going to find P.
All right.
Okay, so to find P is 6.5 liter. Okay, whatever you divide here, when you goes there, it will become multiply. So here you divide with 100, goes here, you times with 100. And here you multiply with 80. When it's go there, you divide with 80. So this is how you have to calculate to get the answer for this. Okay, here we can cut the 0. Cut the 0. Divide with 2, you get 4. Divide with 2, you get 5. Okay, then let's multiply. 6.5 times with 5. Here I get 25. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 2 is 32. Here got one decimal place is 32.5. Is it the answer?
Is it the answer, sir?
Is it the answer? No, you haven't divided with 4. We have 4 here. So what you have to do, you have to take 32.5 liter. You divide with 4. So you get 8. 8 times 4 is 32. You minus, you get 0. Put the decimal. Bring down the 5. Okay, 5 divided with 4 is 1. You minus 4. You get 1. And you can add one more 0 and bring the 0 down. So 10 divided with 4, you get 2. 10 times 4 is 8. You minus 8, you get 2. And you can add one more 0 here and bring down the 0. 20 divided with 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. When you minus, you get 0. So the answer is 8.125 liter of paint. This is the amount of paint that he had at the beginning.
At the beginning, there you go. And Mr. Ragu, could you share with us how did all our friends do today for today's lesson?
They did well. They did well.
Yeah?
Let's give a clap to them.
Let's give a clap. Amazing.
Congrats.
All right, congratulations everybody.
They have tried. They have tried for the hot question. Congrats.
Congratulations.
Don't give up, Faiza. Keep up the good job. At least you try.
The important thing is to try.
Very
and
good.
With that, I'd like to say a huge thank you to our sign language interpreter for today, which is Teacher Shamila. And also thank you, Mr. Ragu, for today's very interactive and engaging lesson on percentages. And sir, before we end, I just want to ask, what
Chris,
is this dal
you saw
doing
the
here,
dal
sir?
there? Okay,
Yes.
I'm going to give one question for Chris.
Okay.
To calculate in percentage.
Okay.
Here we have 0.5 kilogram of dal.
Yeah.
And I need 120% of this.
120% of 0.5
Yes,
kilogram.
100 of
Okay.
20% of 0.5 kilogram is 0.6 kilogram.
Which is 600 grams.
Yes, I want you to measure using this weighing machine.
Alright, so we're going to weigh this.
This is the last activity for today.
Alright, thank you very much, sir. Thank you thank you very much, everybody. I'm going to measure this and we will see you again soon only on Tahap 2 Didik TV KPM. Okay, sir, so 600 grams.
Alright.
Didik TV KPM.